Hello everybody, it's Mrs. Dupay. I'm here with Lesson 5, How to Use the Calculator to Convert Scientific Notation to Standard Form. It's actually easier than the last calculator video. Oh, I had a manicure since our last visit. Here we go. We're going to use a little bit different. We're going to use this caret button here. We're not going to have to use the Scientific ENG button today, but we are going to have to type in the exponent and the decimal. So here we go. We're going to type in using the same examples that Mrs. Tangaris did in the lesson video for lesson 5. We're going to type in 3.62. Can you see my screen? 3.62. We're going to type in times 10. And then we're going to use this caret button here to tell the calculator we're putting in an exponent. And the exponent in this example is a 5. Now, when I hit the enter button here, it converts that scientific notation right to standard form. Now, the only time that it might not do that is if you've still got your calculator set in this second SCI ENG. If you still have your calculator set in SCI, which this is what we used on the last video, you need to just put it back to flow, and then you will be able to work just the way I showed you. All right, let's do, my lighting is bad. Let's do a second example here, same as the one Mrs. Tangaris had done on the video for lesson 5. I'm having some trouble with lighting. All right, let's clear. Okay, so the example was 8.06, 06 times, and we're going to, once again, 10. We're using the caret button to the exponent of negative, changing sign, not minus, negative 7. Change sign is down here at the bottom. You're not using the minus, you're using the change sign, which is the negative 7. So now you've told the calculator 8.06 times 10 to the negative 7th power. When I hit enter, it will give me that number in standard form. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, and then 806. And that's exactly what Mrs. Tangaris had shown you. You were using one of the decimal places to move to the front of the 8, and then 6 more zeros going in front of that 8 in order to account for the negative 7 and make it a very small number, less than 1, way less than 1. 806 billionths. All right, so that's the easier of the two, but a great way to check that you're doing your work correctly. All right, hope everybody's doing well, and we'll be making more videos for you as the days pass. Bye.